Simulators, welcome back. Today I am here with some beautiful, splendid collections of English enrichment material and resources like my English portfolio, mind map, brochures, and some grammar related worksheets. And my dear students, first of all, for the 9th and 10th grade, I gonna beta ji begin with the mind maps. So what is this? This is a very splendid book of mind map. And my dear, here the lost child is there. This is just an example. Okay. Actually, what is a mind map? Mind map is a visual way, see beta, to organize information related to any specific chapter, as the chapter is the lost child here. Okay, it helps us to make a map in our mind about the main idea, keywords, important sentences, lines, okay, of the story, to revise and memorize it wholeheartedly. Okay, same here. This is the lost child. Here, see beta, the adventures of Toto mind map. Okay, and one more Putu here downside. See, adventures of Toto. Okay, like this, these are called mind map. See upside, this is another Bitaji. This is another way, the lost child. See, theme, setting, value, characters. This is all, bache, these all things comes in the mind map. Even some keywords also. Okay, they help you Putu to understand the chapter thoroughly. See the adventures of Toto. Okay, you can also beta take any example from these poem. The road not taken. Okay, these all are called the mind maps. In this way, you can also beta make any of your mind map. Now, Putu, I am going to share for the 10th grade my English portfolio. This is my English portfolio. Okay, for example, here written name, grade, admission number submitted to the English teacher, Manpreet Kaur. Okay. After that, my dear, we're gonna begin with the certificate. This is to be certified that the student of the class grade has successfully completed a file on the beta G topic, the road not taken, under the guidance of the teacher. Then index. Okay. After that, introduction to the author. Okay. Next, beta, about the poet. Here beta, you can use some decorative ideas like this. See, very beautifully presentation bachi the child has given Butu. The road not taken. See beta, this is another way, a very beautiful decorative beta. See, in an interesting way, splendid way, the child has decorated the each and every Butu. See, each and everything of the project. Very good, excellently. Okay, beta, like this, you may choose any of the idea. I'm just only the last one I'm going to share with you. See, this is also the portfolio. Here, in this way, if you want to go with the simple things, just introduction first of all. After that, title. After that, go to summary. Okay. Then message. After that, oh, this is another title. Okay, about the characters. Okay, then theme. Like this, you can also choose any way. I hope Putu now you have understood about the portfolio. Another one like this, introduction, the sound of music chapter. This is the portfolio. Okay, theme. Okay, characters. Emily Glennie was the main character. Bismillah Khan was also message of the story. Okay, like this, Putu, you can also make any. You can choose any of the way I have shown you. I hope you have understood what is the mind map and how to create a splendid portfolio of English. The grammar and the brochures later on we will discuss. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.